Looks simple? Wait till it cracks. This dessert breaks more than just chocolate. We melt the chocolate. I've got a special mold and just a little more enthusiasm than I usually have on weekdays. Carefully brushing it into the silicone egg halves. It's like painting, but tastier. Then off to the fridge they go, to chill like a forgotten cup of tea on the windowsill. Now for the filling: shredded coconut, condensed milk, and butter. Into the pan it goes. Stir until it feels like a warm dessert blanket. Spoon the mixture into the chocolate shells, leaving a little well in the center. That's where the strawberry lives. Cut the strawberries in half, trim the tops. Try not to eat them all, I get it. Nestle the berries into the filling. And seal each egg shut with a line of melted chocolate. That's it. The first 3 are done. Now, the second batch. Same mix, but firmer. Press it in, add cake pop sticks, and chill again. Details matter. Time to make caramel: sugar, water, lemon juice. Let it bubble and don't walk away. Stick the halves together, decorate with sliced strawberries around the edge. And dip into the hot caramel. It's messy, but worth it. Lay them out on a silicone mat to cool. With the extra caramel, we spin sugar threads and make a sweet little nest. Fancy, right? Now for the simplest version. Chocolate bars and sealed wrappers go into hot water. Let them melt, snip a corner, and squeeze into the molds. Tilt the mold to spread the chocolate evenly. Then chill it in an ice bath. Quick and efficient. Fill one half with candy. Seal with a bit of melted chocolate, and you're done. Three types of chocolate eggs: with fruit, with caramel, and with crunch. They look amazing, whether you share them or not. That's up to you.